Hey buddies. Hey people. Hey person. Hello. Told at random. Today we're doing some plastic replacements and some light ring plastic replacements and some little stuff where we've just got to tidy it up because the car's had a lot done to it lately with the roof, blah. So some stuff needs sticking down properly and getting ready and do. And because we're coming to this event on October the 3rd with modded mini and kill chrome, I just wanted to smine up a little bit. At the end of the day, the car's used every day. It's not going to be anywhere near perfect, but we can try and make it as good as possible for what it is right now. So the idea today, sorry, I'm too tall. So the idea for today was to replace these, which are very, very faded if you look, but they're the covers, so they go over the original ones. Very well stuck down, really hard to actually do. So we're going to replace them with the Kill All Chrome set, which is, there you go, look. I love Lauren's car, she's doing a really good job. But yeah, sorry, the full plastic replacement, so much better, darker. So we're just getting through that. We have just glued down this roof part here because it was raising a little bit, so we've resealed it. That's what the tape's for. We'll take it off later and it should be all good. There's a few things that we're going to be finishing in the week. I need to basically sort out my exhaust because the problem with having a central back box is you've only got one arm that's holding the exhaust on. So with my type of driving, where I'm kind of driving it ridiculously hard sometimes, it moves and it bounces and it's coming off. So from the very front of the car all the way to the back box, there's only that hanger holding it on. So it's a weird problem that you're gonna have if you ever get a diffuser like this, because usually your back box is on the left, but obviously you can't do that with the diffuser, so you've got to go and get a central one. But with it being central, that's where you get the problems. So what I'm going to try to do is get somebody to add another hanger on, and hopefully that will solve the issue. If it doesn't, then I just need to think about something different. But for now, that's what we're going to crack on with. As you can tell as well, these original ones are shot, look. So, and I'll give you guys an update on everything that's happened before. So I'm going to continue put these clips on and go from there. While this guy was oh yeah, so I'm going to hold him accountable, because whenever I come up here, he always complains if my car's dirty. There's leaves in it, there's leaves in the bits. But look today, look. Call him out, he's rubbish. Never safe. But yeah, we'll crack on. Also, front end, as you can tell in pictures, it looks great, but there's a lot of stone chips. I think the old owner decided to get it all resprayed, but whoever resprayed it didn't respray it very well. Not thick paint, so we'll adjust that later on. You got any words for your dirty car? It's live. It's live. So if you got any bird feeders, bird feeders. He's claiming because next door they feed birds, that the birds are coming and pooing on his car. Bird feeders. All right. So in here, what you got to do is you got to put these clips in. The original ones are metal. I've still got those. I'm going to keep them as spare, and I'm going to try the plastic ones first. But basically, you just you grab one. Hold on, I could probably do this better, but basically you grab one and then it slides in. Ooh. Can I do it with one hand? So the little oh nope. Right, let me try to do this again. Don't need direct. Right, so this is how the clips go. Sorry, I just needed to change the camera to show you. But basically, the little bit of the nope. Basically, this Jesus Christ. So this piece here slides into the top here. It's a good job I didn't cut my nails, isn't it? Because this would have been an absolute nightmare. So you got to line it up. There is no way. This is the challenge then. Do it with one hand. Do it with one hand. I'm not sure if it's possible. There we go. Oh. It's fine. I like both. Thank you. I'm trying to do this one hand and I can't do it. It's like the worst. I'm gonna do it though. I'm determined to do it. Now I've started, I got determined to do it.
You can't do it with one hand. You'll never be a proper mechanic then.
Cheers. Cheers.
That is true.
I will never be a professional. Jeez.
You gotta be able to do things like that just by feel. Sometimes you can't even see it.
Oh, you mean, yeah. Where you got your hand somewhere and you're trying to do this and go around the top.
Yeah.
Couldn't do that. My hands are not built for that. My hands are definitely not built for that. I think it's supposed to be this way. Basically what we did is we finished. We put some tape around them and a little bit of glue because they weren't, even though the clips are all there, for some reason, this side was loose. You could just literally keep pushing it and it was like flickering. I don't know if it's because of the standard of the bumper or not. Oh, sorry, the standard of the trim or not. But we just put some glue down instead just to double do it. Just, yeah. Same with this one as well in the top corner. This one though was damaged from the previous owner. And then what we had to do is glue this side in like we did the other side. So that was actually missing. That's the only reason why that's glued. Good dog. And then we've glued this down because when I got the car back from the guy who painted the roof, who did an absolutely brilliant job, Mr. ADM himself, the plastic trims were just coming up. Before that as well, the windscreen had only just been put onto the car because the last one I had cracked. So this is a new windscreen. He got it maybe a week after that, so the glue really didn't have that much time to set properly. So I took that on the chin. That was down to me and not down to him. But we put some extra glue on there today, so hopefully it should hold. And then we're going to carry on and try go for Saturday. I think I'm going to try get the tints done if I can in time for Sunday, and I need to sort out the rear exhaust because I can just put it back on, but I really want to get rid of the back box because it just sounds way better without back box. But at the same time, I drive it every day, so it's like a 50-50 thing. But the screen was done by LF Automotive, by the way, if you like it. It looks blue on here, but in real life it's like blue, then it turns to purple, and then but for some reason on a video it just looks like super blue. Anyway, I'll leave you guys to it. Enjoy your weekend, enjoy your week, and have fun.